OPPO is not ready to give up on its dual periscope camera setup just yet, but talk about their successors is already making rounds on the internet. Most of the leaks have been around the camera hardware of the upcoming phones. Tipster Digital Chat Station on Weibo shared details about the telephoto modules of the Find X9 Ultra. The device will feature a 200MP periscope telephoto, replacing the 50MP unit on the X8 Ultra. The other 50MP telephoto might remain the same in terms of resolution, but the leak says it will upgrade its zoom range to 10x from 6x. A 50MP ultrawide, the Find X9 Ultra has a 6.82-inch flat OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. There are also rumors of OPPO branching the Find X9 line to include 4 models: Find X9, X9 Plus, X9 Pro, and X9 Ultra. It is still too early for a full picture of the Find X9 series, while the Find X9s and Find X9 Ultra could launch in early 2026, while the others are expected to debut in October or November, likely after MediaTek unveils the Dimensity 9500. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.